Last 15 seconds. $76-75, 1-point lead para sa mga last 15 seconds tayo. Lamang ang Colocoys ng 1 point. Tignan natin. Sino ang titira?
Kamay!
Jonas, and there's a foul. Tol, 76 na. 76-75. Thank you. Thank you, ref. Alright, last 13 seconds. Tignan natin. Sana mawala ng signal. Oh, what a pass! No good! Rebound! And there's a foul. Time remaining, last 6 seconds. 1-point lead para sa Colocoys. On the free throw area, mapili. Pre! Patingin ako na ko online. Patingin ko na ko online. Thank you. Basket. Sige, bala na. Basket! Ay, mapili. Thank you. Ay, yan na. Okay. Tama, 78, 75. 78, 75. Thank you. Last 6 seconds. Ay na. Sino kaya ang titira? Binigay. JM. Oh! And there you have it. And the champion of this season ng 2024 to 2025, Barangay Little Baguio Juniors Division. Panalo po ang Colocoys. Our final score, 75-78. Congratulations para sa team ni Mate. Dan Leslie de los Reyes. Napapainom dito si Coach Leslie. Okay, congratulations from both team. What a nice and intense game from both team. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless everyone. Keep safe. This is your John Paulo Florida. Don't forget to like and share. Maraming salamat po. Champion of this game sa ating tournament 2024 to 2025, Barangay Little Baguio Juniors Division, ang Team Colocoys. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. And that's a wrap.